Okay, you can now turn your videos into various styles like anime style, robotic, 3D, and many other visuals using Meta AI. So let me show you how you can utilize this feature for both desktop and mobile version of Meta AI. So let's navigate to Meta AI, and basically you just need to click this plus button and then click Add Media. And after that, you can select the video that you want to turn into different styles. So I'm going to select this video, select open, and just wait for the video to be uploaded. And here on the right side, you can select various different styles that are available in the platform. Okay, so if you want to use anime style, I think you can just type the keyword anime, and you can select anime or some other styles that is available in this platform. Click restyle. And okay, let me just try it again because apparently the video has not yet uploaded, so I'm going to do it again. Let me select anime. Okay, it's a bit slow. Okay, click restyle. Yeah, the platform is kind of slow. Now that's how you can do it on the desktop platform. Now the video is still being processed. While it is doing so, let me just open my Android phone. So this is the Meta AI app. You can tap on this button and then go to media, and then click this plus button, select gallery, and after that you can select the video that you want to turn into anime. So I'm going to select this video and go to restyle, and after that you can select the style that you want to apply to the video. In this case, I'm going to choose anime again. Okay, just wait for it for the model to be loaded and tap on generate, and just wait for Meta AI to turn your videos into different styles, which in this case I'm using the anime style. So I'll be back and I'll show you the results. Okay, so this is the result. As you can see now, it is in the anime style. It's not 100% faithful, but I would say this is one of the easiest platforms that you can try for free to turn your video into different styles. And after that, you can post this to your Meta AI account, or you can also just save it to your device and you can post it somewhere else. So that's the result for the mobile app version. On the desktop version, I got this video. So it was just a woman with her dog, and yep, it's decent. I would say it is not, maybe it's not exactly like an actual anime, but for something that can be done in just less than 1 minute, I would say this is quite good. And maybe the only downside that I would say quite noticeable is that the maximum duration of the video is only 10 seconds. So if you have, let's say, 20-second video, then unfortunately only the first 10 seconds that will actually be converted into the style that you selected. But yeah, that's basically how you can easily turn your video into different styles using Meta AI. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.